Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share.
Cooking for family could be quite challenging, particularly for children. Recently, my friend Becky asked me how to cook a bean dish with sausage that she knows her children will love. Based on the description of what her children love, we together create a dish with ground pork sausages and pinto beans. We want this dish not only tastes good for her children, but is also nutritionally beneficial to them. Furthermore, we want it to be quick and easy to cook in less than 5 or 6 minutes. We're going to start out with some onions because it not only makes the dish more flavorful, but it's also more nutritional. Next, we're going to use some ground pork sausages. Actually come from Becky's farm because Becky's husband raised porks. Her children love ground pork sausages, so she knows this dish will be appealing to them. In here, I use ground pork sausages, but you can definitely substitute it with ground beef. The wok turned out perfect for cooking the ground pork sausages because you can stir it rapidly. This allows you to cook them quickly. In fact, in less than a minute, the ground pork is almost cooked. Because the ground pork sausages contain seasonings and they tend to burn to the bottom of the wok. By spraying a little bit of water over this burn material, you can easily remove them. This is a very useful little trick. Becky told me that his children like a teriyaki flavor, so we decided we would add some sugar to flavor the dish. For example, her children love teriyaki chicken, so with this approach, we can create a teriyaki flavor in this dish, and they probably will enjoy. So right now, we are taking a fusion approach in season the dish. So next, I add some dark soy sauce to add saltiness and color to the dish. Becky decided by adding a little bit dark color, it would make the dish more appealing to her children. So to improve the nutritional value of this dish, Becky decided that she's going to snug in some mushroom. Like many parents, Becky always would like to help her children to appreciate vegetable a little bit more. She knows that the children probably would not notice the mushroom in the dish, and she knows that they are going to enjoy it. Next, Becky is going to add a can of pinto beans. Becky is very glad that her children love beans because beans has great nutritional value. Not only they provide a good source of protein, but it is also a good source of dietary fiber. She was very glad because both her children love beans. And next, Becky decided that she's going to add some minced garlic. She add the minced garlic toward the end of this cooking process because she wants the garlic to have a stronger flavor. Okay, the dish is done. Simple, right? The total cook time of this dish took only about 6 minutes. Other than the beans come from a can, everything else are fresh and unprocessed. Since you already have the onion cut up and the mushroom ready to go, there's really almost no prep time at all, and this is the advantage of advanced prepping. She told me that she used to cook a similar dish like this in a skillet, and it takes much longer time, and in fact takes twice as much time. The efficiency and the speed of the wok in cooking this dish makes it far more feasible when you want to put a dinner on the table very quickly. And Becky has slowly adopted my template-based cooking, so she knows that she can introduce many variations to this dish by substituting the mushroom and the onion with other ingredients, or just simply add more ingredients to this dish. Becky told me that she really enjoyed making this dish, and her children loves it as well. She said as a mother, she could not feel better when her children love the food she cooked. At the same time, she feels that she helped to improve their nutrition.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.